Let's spell body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Everybody knows when we sing, it's a part of our body. But also when we whistle, so when we snap our fingers or clap our hands or tap our toes, that's our body making music. Our body is an amazing instrument, right? We have all these different sounds that we can make with our body. You want to spell body? Let's spell body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Our body is an instrument. When we sing, when we clap, when we snap our fingers, everything we were just talking about, our body is an instrument. Isn't that fun? Even if we do this, we're making sounds, and that can be music. And do you like it? We snap our fingers, we clap our hands, tap our toes. We do all kind of things. And so that means we're making music with our body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Here we go. Open up the door. Find a little bit more than we asked for. Than we asked for. You got to open up the door. Find a little bit more than you asked for. Than you asked for, yeah. You got to take a little risk, make a little fist.